Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fahana Aina binti Khairuddin, and this is my lesson 5 video. So we're going to create new parts, and then we have to change the IPS to MMGS. Next, click on the front plane and click normal tool and click sketch, and we're going to create a line. So click normal line, and from the origin drag it until up and continue another line like this. And next we're going to choose another line from the bottom and drag it to the right. Now we're going to give dimension to the line. For this we need to key in 220. For the top, 20 millimeters, and for the bottom, 90 millimeters. So next, going to click tangent arc and click the top point and to this side and give the dimension as 10 millimeters. Next, we're going to select new line and from point this until here and press escape button. Next, we're going to select 3-point arcs and from this point, estimation from this point to this point, and give the dimension to 20 millimeters. Next, as you can see, we're going to trim these entities. So select this and select the line that we wanted to trim. Next, we're going to give this line dimension as 40 millimeters, and we want the bottom line to be exactly the same. So we will press Ctrl keys and select these two lines and make it equal, so both of the lines going to be the same dimension. Next, we're going to create tangent arc. So estimation from this point and about this, and continue the tangent by this point. And next we're going to give dimension to it. So this tangent going to be 60 millimeters, and this tangent going to be 2.5 millimeters. We're also going to give dimension from this point to the bottom point. Next, we're going to use features for revolve boss and click the center line. So the outcome will be like this. Next, going to create the front plane to normal tool and click sketch. So going to sketch on the front plane and click hidden line to make the sketch easier. Next, we're going to create the temporary axis. Next, we're going to create a line from the axis. So click estimation from here to here and give the dimension 60 millimeters. And now we're going to create a tangent. So click from this point and estimate to this point and give the dimension for 150. Next, we're going to give dimension from this point to this point, which is 65 millimeters. And now we're going to create another tangent from this point and about this point and give the dimension. And we're making sure the point is actually horizontal. So click Ctrl key and click both of these points, and now click the horizontal button. Next, we're going to give dimension from this point to the origin. So it will be like this. So right click on normal tool, right plane, and we're going to sketch an ellipse here, estimation like this. So now we're making sure the ellipse is horizontal, so click from this point to this point and click horizontal. So we're going to give dimension to this ellipse. So from this to this is 10 millimeters, and from this to this is 35 millimeters. So we're going to bring the ellipse to the bottom. So press from this point to this point and press coincidence. Now we're going to use the sweep boss features and click this ellipse and this line. So the outcome will be like this. Now we're going to change it to normal, and we're going to get rid of the axis line. Next, we're going to make a hole, so select this face and select sketch. So we're going to sketch a circle and give the dimension 30 millimeters and click extrude cut. So the depth we will be key in 25 millimeters and click OK. So I'm going to change the color, so I'm going to edit appearance and change to this color. So this is how the outcome should be, and that is all for me. Thank you.